In electrical drawing, we have some components such as selector switches, relays, and so on. Component is a block that has special attributes. Now we are going to learn how to insert and work with them in a drawing. You can insert schematic components by using icon menu. You can find it in Insert Components panel of a Schematic tab. Now I select it and the Insert Components window is displayed. In the left side of the window, you can see the menu area which represents the categorized components, and each folder represents special symbol components. It is possible to click on the nodes to expand the symbols. Here in the schematic symbols area, you can see the icons which correspond to the components in the menu area. Some components like push buttons, fuses, relays, and so on. For example, in Selector Switches component, you can see several icons or symbols which are related to it. In the downside of our window, we have many options. The vertical option is used to insert components vertically, and it is clear by default. You can specify the scale of the schematic drawing which a component is inserted. You can also enter the block name of the component and type it here in Edit box and search it to find the desired component. And here, when you select this checkbox, the previously opened or used menu will be available and it is clear by default. So I select an icon, and here in the command line, I will be asked to specify insertion point. So I click at the point that I want to insert my components. Now a window which is named Insert and Edit Component will be shown for me. In the description area, you can specify your component description, and we have here 3 lines or 3 edit boxes. I'm going to enter a desired description for my component. After that, here we have 2 buttons, OK and OK Repeat. If you don't want to repeat your component, you can select OK button. But if you select the Repeat OK button, the other component will be inserted again. Now I want to choose the OK button and then Insert. As you see, the component and its description have been created. Sometimes you decide to use the current description in other component which is available in your drawing and is a specified description to your new components. For example, here I want to pick this description and specify it to this component here. So I just select my component and then click right on it. To do that, I have to choose the Edit Components here. As you see, the Edit Components dialog box will be displayed for me. So in the description area, I will choose the Pick button, and then I will back to command line. And see here, which asks me to select components. So I choose another component to pick its description. After that, again, the edit box will be shown for me. And just by clicking on OK button, the new description will be specified to my component, which is the same as this component I have. Also, it is possible to assign the description to your component from the other descriptions which are available in drawings all in a project. To tell you more details, again I want to specify the other description to this component, but now I want to choose it from the project. So I select the component and then right-click on it and choose the Edit Components and Description area. I have Project option, and when I choose it, a list of components exists here which are same as the one I have chosen, and with another tag and description which are available in the project. So I select the description that I want to assign to my components and click on the OK button. Again, click on OK. So finally you have the description which is assigned. Also, it is possible to assign new description by the list of components in whole of the drawing. So to show you this way, I'm going to select the components and then edit components, and in this section, instead of choosing project, I'm going to choose drawing. As you can see, a list of components are here which are available in this drawing. So I choose one of them and then click on the OK button twice. And new description is assigned for me.